Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hopefully all of you are doing fine. Today I'm going to be creating this look right here, and if you want to know how I created this look, then keep on watching. And if you are new to my channel, well, don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to turn on that notification button. It'll mean a lot to me, but let's get going. So today I'm going to be using the Soft Glam, and I'm going to be using the Mulberry. So it's this shade right here. I already primed my lids, I already did my eyebrows. So I'm just gonna grab a blending brush, just like that. And then put this on my crease. The MAC and the Flush, and it looks like that. And I am going to use this color right here in the middle. Just put that all in my lid. And I'm using the eyeshadow brush N15. So there you go. And then I'm gonna go in with the shade again. Just putting it on my lid. Want it to be noticeable, so that's why I'm going in extra. Okay. So I feel like my eyes pop out more, you know. And for the end, I'm just gonna blend that out a little. Not that crazy, you know. It has to be sharp. So what we're gonna do is blend that out. And get a beauty blender. So what I'm gonna do is apply some primer from Wet n Wild Photo Focus, and I've been using this primer lately. I don't know, just been helping a lot with my foundation, and it slides really smoothly. So I just like it. Every time I do apply this, I do get red. It's not because I'm having an allergic reaction, it's just my skin is very sensitive. Like putting regular lotion, whatever, like I'm still gonna get red. Next, I am going to apply some foundation on my face. I'm gonna go by parts. Okay, I think that should be good. I look crazy. Okay, and just gonna grab my beauty blender. This is the only beauty blender I bought, so just bear with me. And I still have to apply mascara on my lower lashes. And I'm going to be using this shade right here and that shade and combining both. I'm just putting it right there. So this is the end of my video. Hopefully y'all liked it, and if you did, well then give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, and see you in my next video. Bye.